and gentlemen, I give you Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
First of all, Chris, congratulations. Deanna, congratulations. I think I speak for everyone when I say this has been a fantastic few days, and thank you so much for arranging everything that you've done.
Deanna, like, so proud. I'm so proud. Not much has changed. I mean, she gets everything she wants. Thank you for giving me a nephew. If ever you need, like, I'm literally there if ever you need, and I'm probably there if you don't want me as well. Yeah, just to say, like, thank you so much for putting this on. This was freaking amazing. It's gone way too quick, and love you guys. Welcome to the family.
I first met Chris playing football. There was a moment there where we might have talked to each other or something, and we're like, we're going to be best friends. I do see Chris not as a big brother because I'm taller than you, but just as my mentor, and like at every point in my life, I've always looked to Chris. He's always been there for me, no matter what, even if his advice is pretty bad sometimes, but I just can't thank you enough for always being there for me.
I, Chris, take you, Deanna, to be my lifelong partner.
You are my lover, my best friend, who I respect and trust.
And I will always care for you. My commitment to you is undivided.
I adore you and look forward to spend the rest of my life with you.
I make this promise to you until death shall separate us.
From this moment, Deanna and Christopher, I declare you as husband and wife. We invite you to celebrate your union with a kiss.
So my beautiful wife, Mrs. Jones, which is an awesome name to have. Deanna's not only the person I love, she's my best friend. And, you know, I don't know, for those of you who know how I met Deanna, it was like, I went out with my mate and I was in this nightclub and I was absolutely off my face drunk. And I saw this girl and I was like, oh yeah, she's out of my league. Like, I've got no chance. And then we chatted, I got a number, she wouldn't talk to me for 3 months. We caught up and we haven't been apart since that day, so it's been really good. But I couldn't achieve anything to the level that I've achieved without you by my side, and I absolutely love you and you're my best friend.
not again.